Hello and welcome to my game level called 4. It takes place in a golf course. As you run through here, you find yourself in the golf course following along with a barrier. This glitch, haven't figured it out yet, but it does go away after you get to here. You come over here to use your grapnel, snatch out the water tank. Make the car fall. And once you do that, all you gotta do is, get over here, grab your stack of cash. You cannot jump over the wall from there. I've made it specifically where you can't do that. Come over here, knock through these to grab your next stack of cash. You've got some SUVs in the way, and you just use your grapnel to kind of manipulate them so you can get through. Next, you come to the pro shop where you can just kind of knock in the door and grab your item for the bass, along with 2 other collectibles, a med pack and a stack of cash over here behind these bookshelves. Once you have that, you can head out and go towards the driving range, which you can see right here, the tee-off area. You have a box over here. You hit E, open it up, and then all you have to do is crouch, crawl in, grab it, come back out, and then over here at the golf cart you have another stack of cash. And then as you can see, I've got the grass set up like it's a trail, so just kind of run through here, knocking over boxes, grabbing collectibles, random basic training style obstacles throughout to kind of change it up a little bit. You get over here to the pond. The pond is over your head, that's why I've got that there, so you can jump over because you can't swim. And if you can't swim, you start to drown, losing health. Keep following the trail. You've got a fake puzzle here that's going to trip you up a little bit, but over here is your collectible. And here's another basic training obstacle like I was saying before. And then you come to the sand trap, which has a stack of cash in the corner of. As you can see, you're pretty much coming back to the same spot, but I've got invisible walls along the sides of the trail to keep anybody from just kind of trying to get through to the end without having to go through the entire level, and also to keep from wandering around and just wasting time. This door is supposed to be shut. I'm having an issue with that part of the script. Get it fixed. These crates form a maze that you have to manipulate or maneuver your way through to get to your next checkpoint and collect another stack of cash. So I've got that. Come back out here. Hopefully I can keep this under the 5-minute mark, which I'm kind of doubting right now, but my level is got a little bit of detail to it when it comes to like little mazes and stuff. As you come out over here in this stack of golf carts, you got a stack of cash. You got to move a piece of plywood out of the way. As you come over here, this hole in the wall is actually supposed to be boarded up, and you're supposed to pick up these golf balls and shoot them, knock over the boards, crouch through, and grab this collectible. This is supposed to be the cart wash area. As you come over here, you find another stack of old decrepit golf carts. Jump in, you grab your collectible, and you find your way out. And then as you come to the maintenance shed, crouch through. You want to stay crouched until you can get behind one of these crates, because we have a sentry gun You just kind of maneuver your way through the crates as the gun sweeps. Now, if you do happen to get hit with a gun, it's going to start taking off a lot of health. And there is a health pack back here along with a stack of cash. The only thing is, I have not figured the script on the med packs yet. Oh, almost got me. Once you come out there, you're going to run around to the back, and oh, there we go. Look at that. Looks like the exit. Looks like a cave. Let's go check it out. And what do we got here? Oh yeah, that's the exit. So another checkpoint. And you cannot get back in, so you kind of want to make sure that you have all your items before you leave. And come out the other side, and that's the end. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I look forward to hearing your comments.